What I use for sound recording, 2018. Note, this is a post I wrote a while ago. Probably will update this post soon, but still here it is. So, as you just read, this is a post I wrote a while ago, so I might add a few things since I'm recording this not a while ago. Home, sound recording tech, what I own to record good audio, and also using right now. Zoom H6 portable recorder, 6-track. Wavelab Elements, Steinberg Wavelab Elements 9.5 retail. And we have Cubase Elements 9 recording software. And then we have Samplitude Music Studio 2014. Magic Samplitude Music Studio 2014 free trial download, which I don't use anymore because, well, it's not 2014 anymore. Then I have the Taotronics Bluetooth headphones. Maybe add a few things to the things before. Of course, the H6 handy recorder is the recorder I'm using right now. This is my main recorder. It also works as an audio interface, and you also can connect as an audio. So if you use it as an audio interface, you also can connect everything you can record on there to your phone, which I'm also doing right now. So this is the reason I can connect my Zoom H6 to my phone and record audio like this without using the built-in phone mic, which comes in very handy because this is a very lean process. Wavelab Elements I use sometimes for cutting things, but mostly I've switched to a very lean process where I upload everything right to YouTube and Anchor, my podcast host, which allows me to not manage all the files all the time, which was quite a thing to think about. Taotronics Bluetooth headphones. These are the best in the market for an entry-level price. Why not carry $200 headphones with you? Because you crash them or you lose them all the time. At least I do. Another very nice feature is that they are IPX6 certified, which prevents them from water damage. I do of course have other stuff, but this is not listed in this article, and as I said, I maybe will write an article in the future about it, and then you also might hear about it.